Hello beauty lovers, this is Hadidi Makeovers right here. Today I'm going to be showing you how we tied this beautiful turban. So this is my assistant, she's helping me show you guys how big the hair tie is. This is a lace fabric material. It's going to be I think it's 1 yard. It's 1 yard and quarter. That's close to 90 inches long, not 90 inches long, sorry, 36 plus 6, that's 90 inches. Yeah, so see how it looks. I'm going to just fold that. We are going to tie it in a triangular shape, though she's not doing it well, but you get the idea. You want to fold it in a triangular shape like this, and then you want to place it from the back of her head and then hold the middle part like this, and then you ask her, you can just take off her jewelry if you're okay with that, but if she's not comfortable, you can take it off so that she feels comfortable. Then you ask her to press the side of the ears like this, because you want the hair tie to be very secured when you tie it. Then I'm going to just twist the top part of the hair tie like this, and then bringing out the material. At first I wanted to tie it outside, but I felt since I want it to look neater, I'm just going to, you can also do it like this if you want to, but I'm just going to pull out the front part of the hair tie like this and ask her to hold this one behind. Can you see? I'm showing you the detailing very well so that you can get the way you're going to tie it properly. So you see the front part of the turban, like the original one we tied from the back, that is what I'm trying to pull out here, just to make sure the hair tie looks neat and better. I'm trying to pull the remnants out so that the knot will be at the back of her head like this. So can you see that it's like a crisscross something? Then I'm going to hold on to it. You want to hold on to it firm so that it doesn't look too loose at the beginning. So I'm just going to tie it behind like this. I always want to show you guys a detailed tutorial so it's not look like I'm gatekeeping or anything. So I'm going to tie it like this. And please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, and also share, guys. Thank you so much. And can you see this? I'm going to just make her face the front camera, and then you see how I'm going to pull up that other handle of the hair tie that I pulled out. I'm just using it to cover up the back like this. Then you want to loosen it a bit so that you get the style you want to. Can you see that? So the longer part of the turban is the hair tie is the one I'm going to pull out, and then I'm just going to style it gently. Anyhow you want to style it, you can decide to cover the back of the hair. I covered it, but I think some part of the turban, the back of her hair is showing. Can you see behind? You can see her ribbon. So you just want to style it. If it's Ankara, it looks very fine on Ankara, but this is how it's going to look. I'm going to just style it a little bit more, and this is the final look. Since it's a lace fabric, you know it's not going to stay properly, but this is it. This is how it looks. I hope you guys love this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and share my videos. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.